I'm going to show you how to reserve a computer cart on Google Calendar. Once you've logged into Google, click on the 9 square box at the top for Apps. Choose Calendar. Create to create a new event. Title your event. And now you can choose the time that you want your event to be scheduled. So once you click in the second box, it will default to 1 hour from your start time, but you can click and drag and choose another time and enter it in to be more specific. Make sure you go down to Calendar and make sure you choose the calendar for the computer cart that you're reserving. Right now, we're on Mrs. Jones' personal calendar and no one else will be able to see those events. If you click on Bell to reserve the Bell cart, now everyone will be able to see that you have reserved the Bell cart. Remember to save your event, and then you're ready to go, and everyone will be able to see your newly scheduled event.